Alright, y'all, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can go ahead and create a landing page, a compliant landing page for a MaxBounty offer, step by step in 2021. And it ain't going to take but no more than 10 minutes to basically get this all up and running. And also, at the end of this video, you can get access to the same exact landing page once I'm done creating it. I'm going to leave like a ClickFunnels share code down below so you can start your free trial and as well get all my other done for you landing pages that I create on this YouTube channel, which is about 30 plus. At the time of me making this video, you get the compliance template, you get the extensions that I use, the layout, the whole nine. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And for those of you that's interested in more, advanced training and stuff like that, I got a 5-course bundle deal going on right now. You can get all my courses for a one-time fee or a discounted fee. You can do that by clicking the link in the in the description of this video. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So my layout for creating landing pages, I like to have a headline, an image or video under that, or like a quiz. And then I like to put a call to action under there so I can basically get straight to the point and get as many conversions as possible. And then below the call to action, I like to put the compliance template, which is right here, the Facebook compliance template. So when I'm running Facebook ads, I'm compliant. And then I like to put the privacy policy. I should have put in terms and conditions. At the bottom, I'm going to show you how I come up with the terms and conditions. I don't do it myself. A lot of people always ask me that. I'm going to leave all this stuff below the video. But headline, a lot of times too, my layout looks just like the offer page because I like to keep everything congruent to the offer that I'm promoting. So that way, your leads are going to your landing page and then to the offer, they feel like they're in the right place. So that's why I use these extensions called Colorzilla and what font. Colorzilla basically lets you find the exact color code on whatever website that you own, so you can basically just copy and paste and it's the exact same thing. And then what font is basically you can hover over any font on the website and it'll show you the exact font. So inside, I would definitely recommend everybody that's using Chrome to go download these two extensions, and what font and Colorzilla. This is exactly what I use to create my landing pages on a regular basis. And the offer that we're going to be making a landing page for in this example is going to be the Life Points desktop. I went to the trending tab inside of MaxBounty and I found this offer, man. I believe everybody's approved for it. You get 100 actions per day, pay out $375 per double opt-in lead. So we go look at the landing page for the offer. Let's check it out. Boom. So it's simple, straight to the point. They can sign up, take surveys, get rewarded. They got the sign up process right here. Let's see how much traffic they getting to this website. They're getting a lot of traffic, over 9 million hits per month. So this is definitely a converting offer to go and promote. Like I said, everybody that's watching this should be approved to promote this offer. And yeah, so we about to create a landing page for this offer. Another thing I like to do is open up the home page of the offer because you generally, or a lot of times, you get a lot of good ideas from that. I can see already I'm about to steal a couple of their headlines and images and stuff like that. And for my landing page, I like to steal the logos. So let's say, yeah, I'm gonna be using ClickFunnels in this example. You can do this with pretty much any landing page builder. This is just my preferred choice. Let me scroll down to the bottom, add new step. Let me call this one Life Points. Life Points dash YouTube and create funnel step. Now, if you haven't created your own funnel, you would just basically click create a funnel. You can name it whatever, and then you can pretty much follow along to where I'm going. Like I said, I'm gonna go with I think for this one, I'm gonna go with a quiz style landing page. Quiz style landing pages generally gets like a super high click through rate, to a point where it's almost impossible not to profit unless you just send in some garbage traffic or whatever. So I like to start all my landing pages from a blank page. That's kind of how I was taught to basically build my own landing pages outright. And once we do that, we can click on edit page so we can start working on this. Like I said, don't forget, man, download what font and Colorzilla. It will help you out tremendously when you're creating your landing pages and stuff. So we need to make it similar to this. So I'm definitely going to keep the white background and definitely probably take the color code of this button and use it on my website. And try to make the button, with rounded edges instead of square. I'm trying to see. I'm definitely, like I said, I'm gonna definitely go with the quiz style on here. So let me go to add a new row, one column. Where is the quiz? Select box, input, no. Oh, survey. So right there. So I'm basically just asking them a couple questions to kind of qualify them. It might be, where are you from? How old are you? You know, making sure, telling them like, yo, after you sign up, you have to confirm your email address, because that's where we're gonna get our conversion point. And how would you like to be paid? So yeah, I'm gonna just build out the questions first. You know what? The first question could be, how did you find this site? How did you find this? How did you find us? You could put something like Facebook. What I recommend doing for the first answer of every question is put like the obvious. Like, okay, if you're running Facebook ads, you want to put Facebook. If you're running Instagram ads, put Instagram first, and then put all the other alternatives. You want it to just be straight to the point and super simple. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, friend. You can put commercial if you wanted to, or whatever. You can go back. Now, next question, you can go multiple choice again. You can say, how old are you? 18 to 24. You could do 25 to 34. I'm kind of just using like the Facebook age ranges that they normally do. 35 to 44, and then 45 plus. Boom. That's the second question. Let's see. Add a question. We could say, once your, I basically want to tell them they have to confirm their email. So once you sign up, you must confirm your email address to receive your bonus. Because I noticed on their page they said they doing giving away a sign up bonus and stuff. So I want to kind of entice them to go and confirm their email address so we get our commission. So once you sign up, you must confirm your email address to receive your bonus. You can say something like, okay, or will you confirm your email address? Let me see. I'm trying to word it to a point where it matches the answer. So once you sign up, you must confirm your email address to receive your bonus. Do you agree? Or will you do it? Or something like that. You can just say, do you agree? You know what I'm trying to say. So do you accept these terms? Put yes, no. This might actually be the last question, because after this I want to redirect them to the offer where they can sign up. So I'm gonna end up rearranging the questions. Third question, you really want to do 3 to 5 questions. You don't want to put 10, 20, because then they just gonna click off. You can say something like, how would you like to be paid? Would you like to be paid? How would you like to receive your payout? How would you like to be paid? You can say PayPal. Say the most common ones: Cash App, direct deposit, or a check. Say something like that. So like I said, I'm gonna rearrange. Once you sign up, so okay, how did you find us? How old are you? How would you like to be paid? Once you sign up, you must confirm your email address to receive your bonus. Do you accept these terms? Yes or no? We can honestly just leave it like that. Outcomes, it needs to go straight to our affiliate offer. So build tracking link, social, raw link, using this landing page. Now we can just copy that link and use that as our outcome. So redirect, boom, good to go. So now when people answer those 4 questions, it's automatically gonna redirect them straight to the affiliate offer. So now we can say something like new members get a sign up bonus today only. We could bold it. So now let me see. Add. I got a headline. I got a headline. We got the quiz. I'm gonna need to add the compliance stuff at the bottom. But I feel like it's missing something. I need to add like a headline or something. So I'm about to probably take what I get from here, your opinion, your future, or take surveys. Take surveys to shape your future products and services and get paid for it. Start today and we'll give you 10 we'll give you a sign up bonus basically. So I'm going to copy that, add a sub headline, just paste that in there, start today and receive, and we'll give you a sign up bonus. Sign up bonus to kick off your earnings. I kind of want to change it up a little bit. Let me see, I can actually, like this, new members get a sign up bonus day only. I kind of like to put the offer logo at the top. I don't know, just like adding icing on the cake. So add a new column, basically put this on top of that. Now what I need to do is get the life points logo. So if you can't drag it, if you can't drag the image off, what you could do is just go to Google. What's the name of it? Life points logo, and it should come up. So boom, here goes the logo. Open an image in a new tab. We can copy this, go back to our landing page, add a new element, add image, paste in that URL, good to go. New members get a sign up bonus today only. Take surveys to shape future products and services and get paid for it. Start today and we'll give you a sign up bonus to kick off your earnings. Got the quiz, and we pretty much good, man. The only thing I haven't done yet was basically steal the colors and change the font up. I'm about to do that in a second. So now what I want to do is add the compliance part that I was talking about. So I'm going to add a wide section. I'm going to add a new row. And then I'm going to add the paragraph. So right here is where I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to, where is it? All right, so I'm about to add that Facebook compliance template. So if I was running Facebook ads, I would definitely put this first. And then under that, I would put privacy. You can put privacy policy spelled out. And then terms and conditions. Now, where do I get this? I just go straight to the home page of the offer that I'm promoting. You scroll to the bottom. Here's the privacy policy. Copy link address. Go back. Hyperlink this. Boom. X. So now we can go grab the terms and conditions. Copy link address. And insert that link. X. Now you're pretty much good to go. Now what I like to do is separate the compliance from the actual stuff on our landing page. So to do that, just go to the settings, put 100. You can do it 3 times. You can do it for the green section, you can do it for the blue columns, and then the orange element. So do it 3 times, go to the settings, put 100. I like to throw it all the way to the bottom of the page so it's not in the way of our quiz or whatever. And that's pretty much that. So next thing I like to do is fix the meta description. So go to SEO metadata. You just put new members get a sign up bonus today only. Copy this part. Go to SEO metadata. Paste that in there. So now I'm good on that. We already put the affiliate link inside of the survey. So once they're done, it automatically redirects them. Next thing I want to do is probably copy this purple color code. I see they use that a lot on their website. So using that Colorzilla app, I'm going to go back here. Where is it? Colorzilla. Oh, right here. This is what the icon looks like. Colorzilla. Pick color from page. I'm going to hover over this purple. Click it. Now I got the exact purple that they're using on their website. So watch this. Let's see if I could change the progress bar to another color. Progress bar. Might gotta. Let me see if I could just edit using the settings, theme. Okay, here we go. The progress color. Do they got purple? Nope. Orange. Well, they do use orange on their website a lot. So yeah, we can use orange. Progress color, hover color. Or I mean, honestly, we could leave it just like that. It's not even that serious. Now, you can leave it like this and you can pretty much be done with the landing page, but I do want to add one extra step to it, which is basically stealing these 3 parts. You got the sign up, take surveys, get rewarded. I think it's the same thing on here. Yep, sign up. Yep, so that's what I'm about to do. And then we're going to be done with this landing page. So what you can do is copy image address. Boom, add new element. Let me just do all 3 real quick. New element, boom. Paste that in there. Do that for the other ones. Take surveys, copy image address. Boom. Then last one, copy image address. Paste that in there. Now we need to do is add a sub headline where we can copy the sign up, the take surveys, get rewarded, and then we're gonna add the paragraph to add these in there, and we done. So next thing to do, add a sub headline, and then add one more. So that's that. Oops, I put the wrong one there. So the first one is sign up, the second one is take surveys, and then the other one is get rewarded. So copy, get rewarded. Now last thing, just add the paragraph under all of them, and we are good to go. So add element, paragraph, copy, back, copy this one, boom, then last one. All right, so we pretty much good to go on this, man. As you can see, we got the Life Points logo, we got a headline and sub headline, we got the quiz, we got the 3, what they call it, features, benefits, or whatever. So sign up, take surveys, get rewarded. Got the compliance. We pretty much good to go. So now if we click on save. Now last thing before I finish this video out, the font, we could copy it exactly if we wanted to. So let's see, this is the icon for what font. You click on this, you can basically hover over. As you can see, the font for this is Filson Softbook. This one is Lato Filson Softbook. So let's see if they even got that in ClickFunnels. So I know they got the Lato. So I'm about to just go to settings, font family, Lato, boom. Just do that for all 3 of those real quick. Select font, Lato. I don't think I ever seen that other font, that Filson thing. So if we can't find that, then oh well. But you just want to pick something close to it. Let's see if we can find it. It's called Filson. Let's see. Nope, no Filson. So even if you can't find the exact font, you can just go with one that looks just like it. You pretty much good to go. But let's preview it. Let's check it out. See how it looks, man. See how it functions. Boom. This is our landing page. Very, very simple. Let's go. How did you find us? Facebook. How old are you? 18, 24. How would you like to be paid? Direct deposit. Once you sign up, you must confirm your email address to receive your bonus. Do you accept these terms? Yes. And should take us straight to the offer. Boom. It's a very, very simple conversion point. They see all the same stuff that they seen from our landing page. They seen this image. They seen this. They seen the logo. So now they know it's time to basically sign up, put in their email address, and once they create their account, they know they got to confirm it in order to get that sign-up bonus. And when they go confirm their email address, we make $375 per lead. You send 100 people a day to this funnel, and they go complete these steps. That's what, $375 a day, and yeah, which is a little over $10,000 a month. Easiest stuff ever. I ran the same exact funnel on Craigslist, and how much was I making? I think my highest day was like $220 or $260 or something like that. Literally just using Craigslist and people that want to make money, taking surveys for cash, basically. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said in the beginning, you can get access to the same exact landing page below this video. I'm gonna leave the ClickFunnels share code, as well as for those of you that want more advanced training on stuff like this, Facebook ads training, Google ads, Bing ads, Instagram influencers, the whole 9. Right now I'm running a 5-course bundle. You get access to the full course for a huge discount. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see y'all in the next video.